India is setting global benchmarks in digital transactions, and Hitachi Payment Services is fortifying the payments ecosystem with pioneering solutions. Introducing the Merchant App, an all-in-one solution that simplifies digital adoption for merchants. From instant digital onboarding to transforming smartphones into payment devices, Hitachi is empowering citizens and merchants through an agile digital ecosystem, making cashless transactions smooth, secure, and accessible for millions.
We collaborated with few of largest merchant acquirers of the country, understood the needs of the merchant, accumulated feedback, and created a powerful merchant application called HPY Sigma. This user-friendly mobile application covers every aspect of merchant's digital journey.
Hitachi Payments, digitally empowering India with a robust, future-oriented payment infrastructure.